Hey everybody, in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the light fixture from the company WUZUPS that I got off of Amazon. As with all my purchases, I get nothing for doing this. I have no affiliation with the company. I like doing these videos in case there's somebody sitting out there thinking about buying the item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. I was a little nervous about it just because the name of the company WUZUPS didn't sound super professional or didn't really sound like a furniture company. But nonetheless, I like the look of it. We're gonna take a look at it. It did come nicely packaged and boxed. Looks like it's secured really well, ships really well. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. We'll get it assembled and then we'll take a look at it. All right, so I got the light fixture installed. I wanted to give a quick look at what it looks like. Really came out well. There were no installation directions in the product, which is a little bit disappointing, but honestly, it wasn't that hard to figure out. You could look at the pictures and figure it out. For the most part, I still think they should have had some directions in there. I put it over my kitchen, and I gotta say, I'm pretty happy with it. You've got the two-tone colors going. You've got that light brown, kind of maple-ish color, and then you've got the black. And then I used some Edison lights in mine. I wanted to mention they give you 8 of these hanging hooks that are optional, and they basically just sit on. You have 8 of them. It's for if you want to hang any kind of, kitchen tools or pans or anything like that. There's no way to secure them. They basically just dangle like that, but you get 8 of those as well. So if you are looking for a light fixture, I hope this gives you an idea of what this one will look like. Thanks for watching.